Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel where I talk about business, digital skills and how to make money online. In today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you 5 ways to make money writing articles. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please turn on the notification icon so you'll be notified on any time I upload a new video. So let's get right into this video. Number 1, freelance writing. You can become a freelance writer on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Let's use Fiverr for example. When you go on fiverr.com, you can search for article writers. You can see there are a whole lot of article writers there writing articles and they are making money. I have a video where I talk about how you can become a freelancer on Fiverr, how you can create your first gig and start making money. I'll put the video in the description box below so you could watch and understand how to go about it. As a freelance writer on Fiverr, you can make money writing articles for people who are in need of these articles, either for their blog or for their website. The second on my list is blogging. You can start your own blog and start making money from it. The good thing about blogging is that you can make a whole lot of money, not just from writing articles, from sponsored posts, from ads and from affiliate marketing. So this is something you want to look into to see if it's something that you can do or you can start. The third on my list is social media. Social media is a very big platform right now and everybody is on social media. Let's use LinkedIn for example. You can go on LinkedIn, you can search for people who are in need of article writers and they pay you for every article you write for them. Or you can use platforms like Facebook, get more visibility, showcase your skills, tell people who you are, tell them what you do, and people will start reaching out to you for you to help them write articles on their blog, because a lot of people cannot really do those things by themselves. Either they are busy or they don't have time. So this is one thing that you want to look into, or this is one thing that you want to start, because it's actually going to make you a whole lot of money. And the good thing about all these things is that you do them from the comfort of your homes, just with your laptop or with your phone, for those who find it very difficult, or for those who will say I don't have a laptop. You can actually start them with your phone. Let's move to the fourth one, which is self-publishing. So if you are an expert in a particular niche or you understand a particular topic, then you can actually look into platforms like Amazon. Platforms like Amazon gives you the opportunity to create your own ebook or to create your own guide, and you can upload this ebook or guide on their platforms. And when you do that, people buy these books, people buy this guide, and it is one way that you can make money writing articles. The fifth one on my list is sell to companies. Platforms like copyhackers.com gives you the opportunity to sell your articles to companies. You go on copyhackers.com, look at the platform, understand how it works, register on the platform, start selling your articles, or you can actually reach out to companies yourself, send them emails, tell them you can help them write their articles, especially for those who have a blog and you notice that their blog is just dormant, they are not posting anything. You can actually reach out to them. Some may hire you, some may not hire you. It depends on how your proposal looks like. So these are the 5 proven ways that you can actually make money writing articles. I hope this video was helpful. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please turn on the notification icon so you'll be notified on any time I upload a new video. Thank you for watching.